Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for you. It's about 4:45. We're running a little late and we do apologize. Cotton market very strong today. Spot December is in something of a squeeze, obviously. It showed those tendencies on Monday. We mentioned that in our cotton letter, that something must be up its sleeve, I guess. And we don't know what that is. There's some big short in the market. I don't know if it's a fund or a merchant or whatever, but nonetheless, December cotton finished 200 points higher than March, and that is pretty interesting. And tomorrow we get exports, so we could really see the market. If it were to get better exports, we could see the market certainly get stronger. And who's to say we can't go back up and check out the 79-cent high that we made back, what was that, in August? It certainly could pull up the March cotton as well. We probably would want to be pricing some of that cotton, but clearly there's something happening within the cotton market that ordinarily would not be with an 80 million bale carryout. Tomorrow, of course, is exports, as we said. Tomorrow's also that fiscal cliff thing. Now, there's no official announcement on that. That's just when they first start meeting, but we'll start to size up where the Republicans and the Democrats stand on that. And the way of the grains today, we were down a little bit in the corn market. December corn lower, September corn a little bit lower, and the beans were off as well. Wheat was slightly down today. Just a lot of unwillingness on people to buy the market. We think the market is groping for some kind of low down here, but we couldn't rule out the beans getting a little bit weaker. And trading on down some more, but I think there will be a moment in here pretty soon that the grain market should begin to recoup and come back up. We still have tight stocks. We still have droughty conditions in the Midwest. We still have an unstable South American crop, although you might think it's coming in a little larger. But there's still some reasons to be optimistic about the market coming in and doing a little better as you go through the calendar. After all, it's only November. We don't even have the crop planted for next year, and there's a lot that could still go wrong to drive up this old crop corn, beans, and wheat for that matter. Fuel today was down despite the rattling of the saber with Israel and the Hamas, which is hiding out in some parts of Syria and Lebanon. It's hard to say why that crude oil wanted to go down, other than the fact that economy's still slow. The fiscal cliff thing, it still gets back to all of that. So a lot of jumbling today. We'll see what exports bring tomorrow, and we'll see if we get a little more clarity. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.